Hey guys, I'm Johnny, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make birthday cake cookies. This cookies has white chocolate chips, sprinkles, they're so soft and chewy, so delicious, very easy to make. I know you will love them, so let's get started. So I will be making my cookies in a large bowl with a whisk and a spatula. So in this bowl, I have my softened butter. To my butter, we're going to go ahead and add both kinds of sugar. I am using white sugar and brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar with my cookies because it gives you a nice chewy texture and also help with the flavor. But if you don't have brown sugar, you can use all white, no biggie. I like to start off first with my spatula to soften up the butter with the sugar. Once you see the butter and the sugar has incorporated, you can switch to a whisk. Once your mixture is nice and fluffy, we're going to go ahead and add an egg, pure vanilla extra, and almond extra. Almond extra is what gives you that cake flavor kind of thing, but if you don't want that, you can skip it. Also, I have done this cookie with cake batter extra. It is so good, but vanilla will do just as fine. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth and incorporated. Now stir in all the dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well until it forms a batter. Once it forms a batter, we're going to go ahead and add our white chocolate chips and our sprinkles. I am using this kind of sprinkle because they won't melt when they bake in the oven, but you can use Jimmy sprinkles. I actually prefer the Jimmy sprinkle because these are hard like a rock when you once they bake, but I just like that they look cute. But I recommend that you use the Jimmy sprinkle instead. Mix your batter well until the sprinkles and the chocolate chips are well incorporated through the batter. I am going to bake my cookies in this baking tray that I line with parchment paper so nothing sticks. I'm using an ice cream scoop. This is like about 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to scoop my cookie in there, giving some space so they don't bake into each other. At this point, you have 2 options. You can bake your cookies straight away, or you can chill it in the fridge for about an hour or even up to 24 hours. Cookies are like meat. The longer you let them marinate in the fridge, the better they'll taste. But make sure that if you're going to let them chill in the fridge, that you form them first, because it will be harder once the dough is cold to form them into cookies. If you're going to chill them, cover them with plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for about 1 hour. So once you're ready to bake your cookies, you're gonna bake them at a 350°F for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, you're gonna notice that the cookies are a little soft on top. That's perfectly fine, that's how you want them, because once they sit in the baking sheet, they'll still cook a little further. I really love this cookie. They're so soft and chewy, so flavorful. Make sure that you keep them in an airtight container so you could keep them fresh. The written recipe will be on my website, johnnycooking.com. I really hope you get to try them with your kids or your niece and nephews now that they're getting out of school. This is a great activity to make with them. Actually, I'm gonna make a second batch with my niece. She loves sprinkles and she loves sweet. So I'm gonna get her involved. So I really hope you get to try it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.